Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. You're watching Everything Weapons. Today we're going to be discussing how the Qatarians gifted a new plane to the Americans. So the new U.S. Air Force VC-25B bridge jet has joined the Presidential Airlift Group, and the new Air Force One jet will undergo a final round of tests before ferrying President Donald Trump. So all credit to the Warzone.com. The new Air Force VC-25B bridge jet has officially arrived at the Presidential Airlift Group and will commence its initial commissioning flights, marking the successful delivery of a secure, modified executive platform. The Air Force announced Friday afternoon as this modified Qatari gifted 747-8I is set to serve as an interim Air Force One aircraft ahead of the much delayed arrival of two fully outfitted VC-25Bs from Boeing. The jet wears President Trump's preferred paint scheme, a major change for dedicated Air Force One aircraft, which have worn the Kennedy-era scheme for over 60 years. Commissioning flights are the final exam for the aircraft modification. The Air Force explained in a media release they provide both an opportunity for the White House enterprise to validate mission capability while also finalizing protocols required to safety and securely transport the President of the United States, Donald Trump, and enable his execution of his three constitutional roles: Chief Executive, Commander-in-Chief, and Head of State. Once these flights are successfully completed, the aircraft is officially commissioned into the active executive airlift fleet and becomes available for presidential missions, along with the VC-25A and C-32 fleets. The service added in a release that included the new jet in its Trump-preferred red, white, and blue paint color. And the VC-25B appears to be in the presidential hangar facility at Andrews Air Force Base in Maryland, United States. And yeah, I mean, it's nice for the Qataris to gift this 747-8I to the Americans, as we just gained a new modified plane for our presidents and cabinets. So this will continue to serve well beyond Donald Trump, I'm sure. And thank you guys very much for watching. Drop a like, type us a comment down below, subscribe, ring the bell, that way you don't miss any videos that I post in the future, and take a look, check out the older content on my channel. Until next time, I will see you in the next video.